हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू शॉर्ट हैंड विद विनय। ये डिक्टेशन 110 वर्ड्स पर मिनट पे होगी और इस डिक्टेशन का पैसेज और जो टफेस्ट आउटलाइन है दोनों के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए हैं। आप वहाँ से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। Similar question was involved in the case of Mukesh Kumar Sharma versus Senior Divisional Manager, Life Insurance Corporation of India and another in civil miscellaneous writ petition number 33231 of 1992, disposed of by this court on 5th May, 1999. Full stop. In the said case, it was held that the provision for grant of appointment under the dying in harness rules does not create a right to appointment but a right to be considered on the background of the question of destitution of the family on account of such death. Full stop para. The apex court in the case of Life Insurance Corporation of India versus Asha Ramchandra Ambedkar and another, reported in within bracket 1994 to SCC 718 bracket close, supports the above view. Full stop. In the said case, it was further held that marriage of a son does not exclude him from the membership of the family. Full stop. In the present case also, the question is governed by the scheme for appointment of dependent on deceased employee on compassionate ground is as contained in chapter 2 of the handbook on staff matters. Full stop. The dependent has been defined to include widow, son including adopted son, daughter who is fully dependent and is incapable of maintaining himself. Full stop. It also prescribes certain eligibility criteria. Full stop. The son has not been qualified as such. It cannot be said that the married son is to be excluded. Full stop. It is contended by learned counsel for the petitioner that the other brothers who are married and living separately and are not looking after the petitioner, and there is no one else on which the petitioner can depend. Full stop. He was completely dependent on his father and therefore, he is eligible for such appointment. Full stop. The said scheme further contains certain other conditions where it is prescribed that each case is to be decided on the basis of each individual circumstances, having regard to the income of the member of the family already employed, the size of the family, assets and liability of the family, and other relevant considerations. Full stop. Thus, the scheme has not provided for an absolute right of appointment. Full stop. On the other hand, it had given certain discretion to the management in case of such appointment. Full stop. It does not provide that such appointment is to be given as of right and as a matter of course. Full stop. The employer has been given certain discretions in the matter having regard to the guidelines laid down in the said scheme. Full stop para. In the present case, the bank had considered all those aspects as is apparent from the statement contained in Annexure 4 to the writ petition, where the particulars have been given in detail. Full stop. It shows that the deceased had two sons who were married and are in service. Full stop. It is only the petitioner who is unemployed. Full stop. The other two daughters of the deceased are already married, and that the mother of the petitioner died during the lifetime of the deceased father. Full stop. If it is accepted that the brothers are living separately, in that event, everyone will come with the story that the brothers are living separately in order to secure a job. Full stop. However, such questions are questions of facts which cannot be gone into sitting in jurisdiction. Full stop. It is for the employer to decide such question, full stop, para. Be that as it may, comma, in the present case, comma, it shows from the statement of assets and liabilities that the deceased had been paid terminal benefits to the extent of rupees 1,16,372 on account of Provident Fund, comma, rupees 65,760 on account of gratuity, comma, rupees 40,908 on account of leave encashment, full stop. The total is shown rupees 2,23,040, full stop. It is also shown that there was a movable properties of rupees 60,000, full stop. In such circumstances, comma, it is pointed out by the counsel for the respondents, and after considering this question, comma, it is decided to the petitioner is not eligible for appointment, full stop.